Dave Santarelli here once again from the Santarelli Trading Exchange with Jeff Walker. Today we're going to go over the cycles of our trade plan.
And again, I am totally new to this, and that's why I'm here with Dave, and I'm probably going to ask questions. Hopefully you would as well if you're brand new to options trading. All right, so there's three cycles you're always talking about.
Three cycles. We have the breakout momentum, the breakdown momentum, and the no trade zone. Yep.
No trade means no stress.
No trade zone, and that's what the Dow is in right now, the Diamond ETF we have pulled up. You can see the no trade zone, that's our yellow channel. Simple, guys. It's when the candles are trading between the SMAs. There's no direction yet, we stay away. Especially any stocks that are in the Dow, I want to stay away from those. If the Dow is heading into... There we go. Sorry about that. So again, trading between the SMAs is the no trade zone. I want to stay away right now until we either enter into breakout momentum or breakdown momentum. As you can see on here, simple. The red line, this is resistance. As you can see, we came up to it, we failed, and we broke back down, and we're trading in the no trade zone right now. So if we break out again, we're looking for a break above this resistance. We break above that resistance, I think the markets are going to see new all-time highs.
Here's a question. All right, you have the resistance line here just because of these are the high points all the way across, yes. Right? Why is this here, the support line?
Support line, that's going back first right here. Let me pull up let me go back a little bit more though, because support lines, you can see we have some support going all the way back from November, December, July and August. So that's where, and then also here is the 50 SMA. As you can see back here when we're in the breakdown momentum, we're coming up to the 50. So I'm expecting that as well here, which is still another 400-point drop. So, this chart, it's big here, but, that's still another 400-point drop to the next support.
All right, I still don't understand though. Is this a hard fact that this is the support line or a feel? I don't know how to describe it.
Support. There's no exact points. Okay. You're looking for an area where the stock is either come down to and then bounced higher from for support.
So you're talking like it came down to here.
Yeah. There's so many different, like here's another support line right here we could go to, but I don't see, I could draw a second support area, but I don't see the markets dropping down to 24,500 when markets are at 24.5 now. That'd be another 1,000-point drop. I just don't see that happening. So here's going to be our first support area.
All right.
And tomorrow is going to be a big day because if we have another red candle tomorrow, I might even get into some puts for this week's expo, as that's a sign that we might be exiting the no trade zone and heading into breakdown momentum. So I'm going to give it markets Monday, take a look, see what's going on. I might be able to do some day trades if I see some opportunities, but as far as swing trades go, no trade zone for right now. Breakout momentum now, so that's the no trade zone.
Right,
we're trading between the SMAs. Breakout momentum, just like on the last video, we're looking for yellow. Yellow is the 10-day SMA, the blue is the 20, and the red is the 50.
So the yellow has to cross over the blue.
Yellow's crossing above the blue, as you see right here. That's the entrance into the breakout.
So this could theoretically happen tomorrow.
What's that? Go into breakout momentum?
Yes. The yellow,
if you get a big breakout,
wait though. If the yellow crosses over the blue, would really have to wait a day for confirmation.
Yeah, for confirmation. You're always looking for a confirmation candle. If you're in breakout momentum, you have the 10-20 cross, you want to look for that green candle confirmation. If you're in breakdown momentum, you have the blue or the red 50, the blue 20, the yellow 10. You're looking for that red candle as confirmation.
And I know the thing that helps me a lot, when you put up an official trade, for instance.
Yes.
You'll have it color-coded like this.
Yes.
And it makes it so much easier because otherwise I look at these charts, when you don't have the color coding and it's like, it just looks like this to me. You know what?
I've been trading for over a decade now, and I've had my service for about 5 years. And whatever helps our members, that's what I'm for. So I created this trade plan here back mid last year.
Yeah.
I had a lot of members saying, Dave, instead of just giving us your trades, why don't you teach us your trade plan? And I developed this trade plan, and like I said, You know, it's there to help members. So
No,
if you see the red, that's breakdown. If you see the green, that's breakout momentum. Yellow, that's a no trade zone. So when I send out a trade alert, I always put the trade. So if we're trading Amazon, for example, I'll have a chart of Amazon and I'll have what cycle we're in right now, support, resistance, and my target for that trade.
Right. What I was going to say was, and it helps me because I have a job where I can't sit there watching and I get an alert and then I go and I pull up your service.
Yes.
And you will see it color coded this way.
Yes.
And it'll tell you exactly what to do.
Yeah.
You know, I have a job where, like I mentioned, I can't sit there with a computer open all day. So I just jump on after I get an alert and enter the trade. But you can also understand it because of the color coding that it comes.
What's nice about our trade plan too, it works with swing trades. And like I said, swing trades, we're doing the 6-month daily chart. You could simply change this to a 1 minute, 1 day chart and use this to day trade, which we're going to do tomorrow.
Well, I don't know about that. Never tried that before.
I will.
All right. Well, I hope this clarifies the whole channel
and guys,
situation.
those of you that have a full-time job, just like Mr. Walker here, our official trades, they get sent via email, text, also posted on our website. So if you have a job, just like Mr. Walker here, whenever you get a trade alert, what do?
I go to my computer.
Yeah, and it's very simple, guys. So if it's something you're interested in, you could go to our website, www.santorelliexchange.com. You could use promo code YouTube, all capital letters. Jeff, any other questions?
No, this is pretty good.
Alrighty, guys. Take care. Have a great night. And this is a series for new traders we're going to continue doing.